In this video, I will show you how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and change your desktop background, maybe you're just bored of your current one and you wanted to change the image, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're on your desktop and then just right click anywhere on a blank space on your desktop. So if you right click and you're going to get a menu come up like this. On this menu that comes up, come down and click onto the personalize option. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, and from here you want to come and click onto background. Then what you want to do is scroll down slightly, and this way you can actually change your background. So to personalize your background, what you want to do is click onto this box first of all, and you can select a solid color, a picture, slideshow, or window spotlight. So if you go ahead and, for example, select picture, what it's going to do is load up some pictures. You can also add a photo, so you can browse through your own photos that maybe you've downloaded that you want to use as a desktop background. I'm just going to use one of the pre-generated ones from here. So I'm going to click onto this one here, and as you can see, we're going to go ahead and change our desktop wallpaper. So that is how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.